In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members on Eventbrite using team management. We're going to walk through where to go, what to click, and a few helpful tips so you can add teammates quickly and give them exactly the access they need. This is perfect if you're collaborating on events and want others to help manage listings, sales, or attendee details. First, open your web browser and go to Eventbrite. Sign into your organizer account so you can access your organization settings. If you manage more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct one before you proceed. It's easiest to do this on a desktop because all the menus are visible and you'll see the full settings panel. Once you're signed in, head to Settings. Depending on your view, you'll find this under your Profile or Organization menu, usually near the top right corner. Inside Settings, look for Team Management. This is the hub for adding people, assigning roles, and keeping track of who has access to what. If you don't see team management, you may need higher permissions within your organization to manage users. Inside team management, click Invite Users. You'll see fields to add the people you want to bring on board. Enter their email addresses carefully to avoid typos, and choose the appropriate role or permission level for each person. Think about what they actually need to do, like creating events, editing details, viewing sales, or handling payouts, and assign the least access necessary. This keeps your account secure and avoids accidental changes. If there's an option to include a message, add a short note explaining what the invite is for and what you expect them to handle. It helps your teammates know exactly why they're being added and where to start. When you're ready, send the invitations. After sending, you'll typically see your invitations listed as pending until the recipients accept. Keep an eye on this section if you're coordinating a large team. If someone didn't receive the email, double-check the address and use the resend option rather than creating a duplicate invite. You can also remove or adjust access here anytime as your team's responsibilities change. And that's it. You've navigated to Eventbrite, opened settings, gone into team management, clicked Invite Users, and added your team members. Once they accept, they'll be able to log in and start helping with your events. If you ever need to review or update roles, return to team management to make quick edits. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.